welcome back to my channel. If you guys don't know me, my name is Diamond the Model and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a 246 and I'm going to be doing one of these lucky do's for you guys. Well, you guys see it already. I had so much fun doing this pixie cut because super duper soft, love the layers. And it's cute. It was really easy for me to just style this up, especially with me raking my comb in there and, you know, just doing a do. If you guys want to see more on this hairstyle, make sure that you guys stay tuned. Also, subscribe to the channel and give this video a big thumbs up because that'll let me know that you guys want to see more of these pixie cut hairstyles. Yeah, we're just going to keep on moving along with these pixie cuts. If you guys want to see more, make sure you guys go ahead and stay tuned with this video because I'm literally excited. I don't know why my voice is like turning down. I don't know. Maybe I need to drink some water. Woo, running out of breath. But I did want to go in and do this hairstyle. I don't know which hair I wanted to do. It was like the one that was flipped up. All of them look cute on the models. And I'm literally excited that I got this box because I love this hair. It's super duper cheap. We're also on a budget. So if you guys are on this channel, we're working with hair on a budget. I did go ahead and use the dome cap so that I can take this hair off. So if I do want to go to bed, I will be taking this wig off. But I don't know about that. Probably just leave it on overnight. But I'm going to show you guys the next day how I wrap my hair and what all the products that I need to wrap my hair. That'll be in another video. But I'm 6 minutes in, so if you guys want to stay tuned with this video, make sure you guys keep on watching for the video. I'm running out of breath. I'll see you guys in another video. So I'm done with the first layer, and that was the medium layer. That was the middle bundle of layers that I have. I was going to show you, but it's gone. So I'm going to cut this down so that I can put my larger bundle at the top of my head so I can know exactly how I want my hair. I'm going to be cutting this down, trimming it down to where I want my hair. I know I want it like tapered in the back and a little bit tapered like on the side so that I can know exactly how I want my hair. I like to use my shear razors and these are super duper sharp. So if you have some of these, or if you're going to your local beauty supply store getting these, make sure that you don't cut a lot off, because these are super duper sharp. It gets the job done. I think these was like $1.99, super duper cheap, and I love these. I'm going to be going in and cutting my hair. Also in the back, love to use my sherry scissors for this. Let me know what you guys think about this pixie cut.